start stream.
Hey everybody, I'm waiting for YouTube to load, but yeah, while I wait, I can quickly go change the title. This is episode 2. So guess what? I figured out the problem. I just sat down and was so mad for about 20 minutes now. I've been sitting just being angry, and then I was like, oh, I know what the problem is. And the problem was that, you know how it returns a -1 or 0, and how we added the exclamation mark in front. So when it returns 0, it would call that function. Because of the exclamation mark, meaning there was no error. The callbacks always worked, meaning there was no error. I thought that cout did not work or something. But no, it's because there was no error. It's just me who was a fucking idiot, which explains why when they changed it to the original, it suddenly worked. Because I am a fucking idiot. So now I reinstalled 2022, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna reinstall this shit to test if it works. And then while it was installing, I was thinking about this, and I was like, oh, that's the reason. And so I am just so fucking mad now. Why the fuck didn't I think about that? Oh well. Yeah, it's something, you know. But yeah, that was 2 hours spent debugging, all because I made one stupid mistake. And that also explains why it never worked when I I tried with GLAD, why GLAD failed too. That was because of that. It used the same system. So did creating the window. I mean, it explains everything. It was just me who was a fucking idiot all this time. Wow. Well, hey, it could have been so much worse. I could have been sitting here for the next 2 fucking days trying to figure out why. But yeah, no, that did not happen. I'm thankful that it only took 2 hours of thinking. You know? I'm thankful for that. I'm so thankful for it only taking 2 hours. But yeah, it's not the first time I've made mistakes like this. I've used the wrong variables, variables with very similar names and so on, and it's taken me just as long to debug the code to figure out that this was what was wrong. Trust me, this stuff happens occasionally, and it's one of the worst things that can happen. So yeah, it's fucking annoying. But hey, I figured it out, and I learned that I am indeed an idiot. No surprise there. But yeah, damn. I was really mad because I thought the compile or library or whatever did not work, but that was not true. Well, I guess while we wait, we could build it for Visual Studio 2022. I'll really quickly just go and do that. Let's see. It also explains why it never why I never printed that it failed to initialize GLFW, because it never failed to. It was just me who thought it failed and did not work. You know, had I had a few more brain cells, I might have figured that out way earlier. But no, I think the reason why it took so long is that normally you do that, but in this case you don't do that. You just check if it's equal to 0. So you just check if it's equal to -1 in this case. Anyways, I can make the build folder. we're still waiting. Oh well. Yeah, I guess I'll go do some other things while I wait. So I'll be back in a bit. Hey, the good news is that ImGUI seems to work, so I didn't waste like 3 days trying to set it up like I did in Visual Studio Code, so yeah, that's the good news. Anyways, it seems to be done now. I'm just happy it only took 2 hours of debugging and thinking about it to figure it out. I really considered just, taking a break and coming back to this tomorrow or like Monday or something. Probably not Monday, but like somewhere next week maybe. And figure this out. It's getting quite late too. I'm a bit hungry, so I should go get some food once I'm done with this. But we can finish off now, I guess. Where could you go? Go onto the site. Just go. My channel. Go launch. Nah, not Visual Studio 2019. Oh no, it took down all my projects. God damn it. Cubic Engine, this one. Hey, it booted it up. What do you mean? Wait a minute. Close. Hey! Do you hear me? Anyways, I can boot up CMake now. Get it running. Browse. Here we go. GLFW. Here we go. Browse, build, select, configure. I guess it works with 2022 now. Okay, Visual Studio seems to be completely gone. Task Manager. Task. Fuck hell, bro. Just go back to CMake, configure, generate, done. Launch. Now go into my Cubic Engine, go close, now go into here, go build, click open web. Oh wait, I'll probably have to shut down Visual Studio 2022 to uninstall 2019. That's it's taking up space. Well, I'll build this really quickly and then I'll do that build solution. It doesn't take a long time to do that. I still cannot believe how stupid I am. Oh well, let's go more uninstall. No, not Visual Studio 2022, goddammit. Uninstall. Okay. Yes, you can shut this down now. I'm gonna go inside here. Source, debug, grab this. Continue. C++ projects, Cubic Engine, delete. There we go. Okay. While I wait for it to uninstall, I think I might make this into a clip on my fucking channel, man. This is my worst fucking experience ever dealing with stuff like this, man. Holy shit. Well, at least we figured it out. I almost considered stop working on this project just because of that, but no. Honestly, 2 hours is not that bad. I've heard some people have spent like an entire week working on stuff that did not work. You know, I've heard worse. I've heard some real programming horror stories. People spending weeks on something just for it not to work. So, yeah, honestly, I have done that too. Yeah. So 2 hours is not that bad. Oh well. Well, I honestly don't know what to do while I'm waiting for it to uninstall. Oh wait, don't tell me that it froze. Sometimes, the installer likes to just freeze randomly. I guess, no, it's not frozen. Oh god, I thought for a second. Because I've had issues with it freezing randomly while installing stuff, so I thought it happened while I'm installing it. And all you can do is really restart Visual Studio Installer, and it usually fixes it. Okay, let's put a cubic engine. And let's now work on getting it fixed again. Where the fuck is the comment? It's up here. Okay, good. ImGUI is invalid. That's fine. I'm gonna fix that. Just give me a second. Shouldn't these be like ImGUI includes? We don't need the loader actually. We just need the these three ones right here to make it work. Let's see. So over here everything should be fine, right? GUI, I crossed out GUI, didn't I? Yeah, that should be the last class I did that with those, so it shouldn't be a problem. Alright, here we're just gonna go, there we go, and that's it. We don't need this callback function, now that I figured out what the issue is. Need MG. Oh yeah, I also crossed out that one. And over here as well. And we're done. Now everything should work properly. As for this, we need to go and really quickly go window. Window is equal to window cubic, and instead we check for -1. Actually we check for 0 in this case, so this would either way always work fine. Equals what? Yeah, that's because I have to go that make current context, so window dot window. There we go. Make current context, and over here it should be window dot. It should be window dot swap buffers and window dot pull events. And that should be it. There's also this one window dot create viewport, and this one, which in this case should check if it's equal to this one. And this one should also check if it's equal to -1. And that should be it, really. Nothing else to do here. This is unnecessary. And that's it, really. So, yeah. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. No current context. Oh shit, do we need to set up the context? Set up. Okay, it wants me to do what exactly? Debug error has been called. What was the fucking error? Alright, it fails. What? Okay, let's see. So, yeah, we gotta create the context when we set it up. So, ImGUI, create context. As over here, we'll create the context. Here. Create context. This creates the context, and this handles IO stuff. Well, I gotta go get some food. Right. So thing seems to work fine now. I think it'll work. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so I think we'll continue next time. Which will probably be soon, and we're gonna finish testing something though. Maybe I should change the car a little bit further. I can tell if it changes on here. Oh. This guy is anything though. So yeah. Huh. Oh. Need a coffee, whatever it says here. There we go. How's that? So, yeah, I think that's it. I wanted to give you a short update. We'll continue tomorrow again. So, yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Or maybe even later today.